Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. Okay, to do that just scroll up and go all the way down until you can see the word setting. Select on it, and now scroll all the way down until you can see the word system, and here you can see reset. Select on it. Confirm once more time to erase all data. Confirm. And now it's going to reset your Xiaomi Band 9 Active. Okay, after that your smart band now it's going back to the factory default. Okay, and now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can factory data reset to your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.